Deep watering, a simple guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the English language and explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, deep watering. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. Deep watering is a phrase commonly used in gardening and agriculture. It refers to the practice of watering plants deeply and thoroughly, ensuring that water reaches the deeper roots. This is in contrast to shallow watering, where only the surface of the soil is moistened. Understanding this phrase is not only about its literal meaning but also about appreciating its metaphorical applications in everyday language. Context plays a crucial role in understanding and using deep watering effectively. For instance, in a gardening show, the phrase is used literally. However, in a business meeting, someone might use it metaphorically to suggest a thorough and deep analysis of a topic. Recognizing the context helps in grasping the intended meaning. Let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage. The trees in our orchard thrive because of regular deep watering. 2. Metaphorical usage. Our team needs to do some deep watering on this project to understand the underlying issues. A common mistake is using deep watering inappropriately in contexts where it doesn't fit. For example, saying, "I need to deep water my knowledge," is incorrect. Instead, you could say, "I need to deepen my knowledge." Understanding phrases like deep watering can add richness to your English communication. Remember, context is key, and practice is essential. Hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Happy learning!